Keeping your home clean doesn't have to be a chore, especially when you have the right tools at your disposal. This O-Cedar EasyWring RinseClean Microfiber Spin Mop and Bucket Floor Cleaning System offers a revolutionary approach to floor cleaning, making it easier, faster, and more efficient than traditional mopping systems. Say goodbye to dirty water, heavy buckets, and endless scrubbing. The O-Cedar RinseClean Mop lets you clean your floors with fresh, clean water every time, ensuring a thorough clean without the hassle. Whether you're cleaning tile, hardwood, or laminate, this system is a game changer. Key features and benefits. One of the standout features of the O-Cedar EasyWring RinseClean Mop is the ability to clean with clean water from start to finish. Unlike traditional mopping systems, which require you to rinse your mop in dirty water and spread that grime back on your floor, the RinseClean design separates clean and dirty water. This system ensures that every swipe of the mop is done with clean water, guaranteeing better, more hygienic results. No more soaking your mop in filthy water. With the RinseClean system, you can effectively clean your floors without the need for harsh chemicals. The microfiber mop heads are engineered to remove 99% of bacteria using just water. This makes it perfect for families with children or pets, or anyone looking to reduce their use of cleaning chemicals. The powerful microfiber strands grab dirt, dust, and bacteria, leaving your floors spotless and hygienic. The O-Cedar EasyWring Mop takes the hassle out of wringing out a mop. With a built-in foot pedal on the bucket, you can spin the mop and control the moisture levels with ease. Simply step on the pedal to release water from the mop head, ensuring your floors get just the right amount of moisture for an efficient clean. The hands-free wringing system eliminates the need for bending over or touching dirty water, making cleaning much more comfortable and convenient. This system isn't just a time saver, it's also a money saver. With the O-Cedar RinseClean Mop, you'll save up to 4 times as much on cleaning costs compared to using leading disposable spray mops. The machine-washable microfiber mop heads are reusable, meaning you can clean your floors multiple times without having to buy disposable pads. This feature ensures you get long-term value out of your purchase, making it an environmentally friendly and cost-effective choice. The mop heads on the O-Cedar EasyWring RinseClean Mop are machine-washable, allowing you to reuse them after every cleaning session. This not only saves you money on replacement pads, but also reduces waste. Simply remove the mop head after use, toss it in the wash, and it's ready for the next round of cleaning. With the included 3 extra mop heads, you'll always have a clean mop on hand, and you won't have to worry about running out of refills. Whether you have finished hardwood, wood, tile, vinyl, or laminate flooring, the O-Cedar RinseClean Mop is safe to use on all types of hard floors. The gentle yet effective cleaning power of the microfiber ensures that your floors remain scratch-free while still delivering a deep clean. It's the perfect cleaning tool for every room in your home, from the kitchen to the living room and beyond. The 360-degree rotating mop head makes it easy to clean those tricky spots under furniture and along baseboards. With the triangle-shaped mop head, the RinseClean system also offers better corner cleaning, allowing you to reach and clean areas that other mops often miss. Whether you're cleaning around the edges of your room or deep into the corners, the O-Cedar Mop ensures that every inch of your floor is covered. Cleaning your floors just got even easier with the O-Cedar RinseClean Mop, which comes with 3 extra mop heads. This means you won't have to stop cleaning to wash the mop head. Simply swap out the heads for a fresh one and keep cleaning. It's the perfect solution for busy households, as it ensures you're always prepared for spills, messes, and everyday cleaning needs. Why choose the O-Cedar EasyWring RinseClean Mop? No dirty water. Clean your floors with fresh, clean water every time. 99% bacteria removal. Clean and sanitize your floors with just water. No harsh chemicals needed. Foot pedal for hands-free wringing. Wring your mop effortlessly without touching dirty water. Big cost savings. Save up to 4 times on cleaning costs compared to disposable mops. Machine-washable mop heads. Reuse and wash your mop heads for long-lasting cleaning power. Safe for all floors. Works on hardwood, tile, vinyl, laminate, and more. 360-degree rotating mop head. Easily clean corners, under furniture, and along baseboards. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.